Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Infosys eligible criteria for each and every state I am going to explain now. So watch the video till end. So visit my channel once and you just subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Then only you may get a more about from job opportunities, internships, certificates, everything. So it will be helpful for me and it will be helpful for you. Both of you will get good things in your life. So don't skip the video, watch the video till end. I'm going to explain each and every state, what all the eligible criteria, everything. In this they are mentioning here BE, BTech, all branches, computer science and everything they are mentioned. 10th, 12th will be 60-60. Diploma included if 65 now they included, before 60 is there. So BE, BTech 65-6. So many things they are mentioning. MTech for not applicable 65, 10 out of 6 in BTech. So many things they changed, so you are confusedly. Sorry guys, completely confusing for you. So I'm going to explain 5 to 6 state complete together with one slide, and the first one will be the Punjab, Rajasthan, Goa, Bihar, Haryana state for BE, BTech and MEMTech 65 to 67 they are mentioned. So if you are from the state, if you are having any doubt in this applying form for CGPA and percentage, you just comment me, I will clear your doubt for Pune and Rajasthan and Goa, Jharkhand and Haryana. And next one will be Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Assam, Mumbai, Delhi, they are mentioning 65 to 69. So in between is there no problem, above is not a problem. So the starting will be 65 to 69 they are mentioning here. So we are going to see it in the third hiring or fourth hiring in this year, whether they are mentioning how much for each and every state. While applying only we may get a exam link or not, we can see now. So this is approximately they mentioned the Google and their company website. So suddenly they will change ITMNC, what they will do no one can predict, so we can wait and watch. And the next one will be, and for Manipur, Himachal, Chandigarh 65 enough or above is okay. And for Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka 65, for Andhra itself 68. So Union Territory state Pondicherry like Jammu Kashmir, no problem, they are almost 60-65 is enough for them. So the Andhra they mentioned 65 in Google, so you can search it in Google, just type it Infosys at AP Andhra Pradesh Infosys eligible criteria for system engineering, so you may get a page like a 68% they changed, like that you can see now. And next to which state I missed, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya 65% above or below 60 to 65 it's okay, no problem. And any other state apart from that I missed. Every state I covered. If any state I missed, means you just comment me. Any eligible criteria, don't worry, be patient. If you have doubt, comment me in the comment section, I will clarify your doubt, everything. So if I forgot also, I will, when I'm saying, I just reply to you, don't worry about it. Is there any eligible criteria regarding your friends or yours? Just share this video completely, then only they will get a clear idea whether we can apply or not for the SD role, SSD role in system engineering, Infosys opening role, everything. Why? Because of so many job opportunities, so many applications in Infosys they arrived, so they just want to filter it because by your knowledge or something it's not depend for them, so directly they are going for their graduation percentage they are mentioning. Before under all 60 is there, but now 62, 65, 68, 69, so they are mentioning because of more population in engineering department and more application received from the companies, they are not able to filter it clearly and the clear view of filtrating, so only they are just doing like this. So don't worry, it will happen just a few years after they didn't get any candidate, means they will reduce the eligible criteria. So now start applying anything, no problem. And if you have any doubt, comment me. And thanks for watching this channel. So why I'm mentioning comment me. If you comment, you will get a clear idea. So only I'm providing the comment section in YouTube. So you just comment, I will clear your doubt. Every doubt I'm clearing you. Visit my channel once, it will be helpful for you. So thank you guys.